This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So hello guys, welcome back to one more video, and in this video we'll be taking a look on how to pen test Azure applications. But before going to the video, we're having announcements here. We have launched the second batch of master course for bug bounties, and it is starting in somewhere around 5 days. So take a look on all the contents. It's a 50-day complete master course based on beginning to the advanced techniques into bug bounties, including lots of resources, notes, and a lots of content. As you guys can see all the contents here. And here are few latest reviews, you can also take a look on them. And the link is in the description, so make sure to take a look on all the resources, all the details there. And let's get into the video. So here we are with one more video, and in this video we'll be taking a look on Azure. So as always I mentioned, first of all, definitely the documentation is going to be on the top side, because yes, it is gonna be doing a good efforts in your whole journey, because documentation can help you a lot in learning about them. Now, if you have seen the previous video, you already know the importance of documentation. Why I'll say just take a look on implementation, configuration, and you can simply say the documentation, the whole thing, and you can reverse engineer it to use it for multiple purposes. I know this is going to be a short video, but yeah, take a look on it. Now, initially you can just say how to find Azure, or what to just how can we get the information about it. So here is some simple tips for recon. Service enumeration. You can use tools to map out the Azure specific services like blob.co.windows.net or Azure websites.net, this type of things. You can also use Cloud Enum for finding or brute forcing the whole thing. Then inspect certificates and all these things for revealing additional subdomains and services dependent on them. Focus on least privilege access or unnecessary things available there, so you might be able to gather about some information related to Azure securities. And there, okay, there's a type over here, the top 100 things to check, but yeah, these are top 10 things that you can check. Azure Blob Storage, that can be having some transfer exposure in many cases, or SAS tokens there, so have a look on it. Then we have Azure Active Directory, that can be definitely useful. Then we have the Resource Manager. Obviously, you can take a look on the API endpoints and all the tokens without the proper privileges mentioned on them. Then we have Azure Kubernetes Securities. Yep, virtual machines available there, Azure Functions there, SQL databases, logical apps and automations, Key Vault, and policies, IAM policies there, and managed identities. You can definitely take a look on them using the documentation to learn more about them, and then just take a look on it, how you can pen test it. Then additional things you can do is like OSINT. Not actually OSINT. You can find lot of information leaked about it in the GitHub. Maybe in Pastebin, maybe in GitLabs, so you can just take a look on it. Password reuses, if there's some leaked password, maybe you can try to reuse it, or there are multiple aspects of it about password reuses. Have a look on it. Also look for the Azure profile.json file that contains information about the logged user. You can take a look on the AZ logout that removes the token, right? You can take a look on third-party breaches if there are any. You can take a look on access token.json for having stored tokens in clear text format. Now, how to find this information, or how I found about them? Documents. Take a look on them. You will find a lot of things more about it. And don't forget to take a look on this 15 links. This 15 links is gonna be telling you a lot about Azure. So just go to the Azure section in my profile and you will be finding about it. There will be a lot of information about Azure. Like there's a whole Actrix guide on it. There is also a whole subdomain takeovers using Traffic Manager of Azure that you guys usually find, but no one notices it at all. So have a look on them. Azure enumeration for sure. Have a look on the first time hacking into the cloud. That's also a good one. Azure Cloud Pentesting. That's also a good one for sure. Port Trigger blog is there. You can definitely take a look on. Azure Key Vaults. That's a good blog for sure. I will say all of them are kind of very great to take a look on, so definitely go on them and keep an eye on this particular GitHub repo. I'll be updating them regularly. And I know this is gonna be a short video, and this is already a short video, so I guess that was for it. Don't forget to take a look on all the links in that particular GitHub and also in the description, and see you guys in the upcoming video.